हाय एवरीबडी, हाउ आर यू? मैं हूँ आज अपनी सबसे फेवरेट खदीजा के साथ वंस अगेन बिकॉज वी हैव समथिंग वेरी एक्साइटिंग एज यूजुअल फ्रॉम द एलान स्टोर. खदीजा, shall we tell them what we're doing?
Yes, absolutely.
Why don't you do the
And I
honors?
also, firstly, I want to say you're also my very favorite for all these features. We've been doing these for now
many
number
years.
of years.
Yeah, we've done the lawns, we've done all kinds of collections. और आज हम कर रहे हैं
So we're reviewing Wedding Festive, which is launching tonight on our e-store at midnight and in store tomorrow. And yeah, you take the lead.
Yes, so the best thing about this collection that I've seen so far is that this is very elegant. It is completely hand done.
Yes,
right.
So it's actually the bases are all fully embroidered and then the handwork is done on top.
On top, exactly. और ये बहुत अच्छी हैं, especially for the weddings happening at this time, smaller scale weddings, even bigger scale weddings. खदीजा, for me, मेरे लिए तो ये all kinds of weddings के लिए बहुत अच्छी हैं. But आजकल जो intimate weddings का एक trend चला है ना, उसके लिए this unstitched collection is amazing because आप जो हैं इसको ऑर्डर करके you can have it stitched on your size. You have ample kapda, you have ample embellishments, whether you're an extra small or large or extra large, you will have no problem getting this stitched. So we're going to take you piece by piece through the 7 designs in this collection and I'm sure you're going to love it. Okay, so सबसे पहले मेरा सबसे favorite जोड़ा from this collection, the one that I'm wearing right now, it's called Alara. So I'm going to show everybody what it looks like and you're going to tell us a little bit about the beauty of this. Look at it.
So Amna is wearing Alara. This is a very beautiful design. It is made on organza. It's a pale mint colored organza and it is fully embroidered with this very beautiful foliage pattern in shades of mint, sage and a light peach and a dark peach. It comes with this beautiful chiffony border and then it has an additional satin border with again these oversized beautiful florals in peach and pink. The sleeves have the chiffony again and then the most beautiful thing about it is, I'm gonna show them your dupatta. So this is the dupatta and on all 4 sides you have this beautiful exquisitely embroidered deeper green satin border with again the pink flowers. So overall it's like a really sublime light colored ethereal kind of an outfit. उसके ऊपर हमने सारी हैंड एम्बेलिशमेंट की है, गोटा भी लगाया हुआ है, सीक्वेंस भी है, पर्ल्स भी हैं एंड दिस पैच दैट यू सी इन द मिडल, जिसे आप चाहें तो ऊंचे करके लगा सकते हैं, चाहे तो आप नीचे करके लगा सकते हैं, ये भी आपके बॉक्स में इसी तरह आएगा. So there's a deep green satin putty for the center which is fully sequined. So you can put it, अभी हमने आपके लिए ऊपर तक लगाया हुआ है with the pearl details. But of course, you know, somebody wants to wear a lower neck, they can bring it down lower. So very versatile, comes with its side panels also and it's just, you know, you tell us, how do you feel?
So basically,
where would you wear this?
I'm very excited about the fact that whatever you see here, you're going to get
yes,
in the dabba.
Everything is in the
So
box.
there's no surprises there. That's fantastic. And what I like is, सच्ची बताऊं कि the details are so nicely done. Like it's not something
it's not over the top.
It's not over the top, and it's also done so perfectly. It's not like one of those things जो आप डब्बा खोलते हैं और आप कहते हैं it doesn't look like what it was in the pictures. It's absolutely
beautiful. In fact, I think that they actually, you know, a lot of times with Elan stuff, I feel like it's a lot nicer in real life because somehow in pictures you can't always capture everything, right?
Exactly.
No matter how beautiful the shoot and the photography, you can't capture the finer details. So I feel like in real, you actually see it, it's got a lot more depth in the embroidery than in the photographs.
Awesome. Now, coming to the second favorite that I have, because black is always needed in every wardrobe.
It's glamorous and you can never fail with black.
Yeah, you can never go wrong. So Khadija is wearing my other favorite. Khadija, let's have a look at this if you would please model for us a little bit.
So I'm wearing Steeda. This is a fully embroidered front open jacket. You of course can make it front open or you can make a kurta or you can make a firan or any other kaftan, whatever you feel like. But the beauty of it is that it's a fully embroidered shikarga and you can see that it is fully composed from top to bottom. And it has this lovely tobacco and cream tilla with on this black base and then it comes with all these borders. So we have
All of these.
Yes,
Yeah.
all of them.
Yeah.
And they add this beautiful burst of color to the whole thing. So if I walk in, so it just instantly this outfit makes a statement.
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही.
Right? Because it's got the color, it's got the dramatic imagery, the dramatic embroidery, and then a very
Dupatta.
favorite part of the outfit for
Yeah.
me is the dupatta.
It's absolutely lovely.
It's lovely. So you see, this is all embroidered.
हाँ.
This is a embroidered booty. Then we have this beautiful red patch with roses. Then we have the green with the waves, and then we have this screen printed gold and red ball. So it has a
It
lot.
comes
of
together very well.
Yeah, and a lot of different textures, Amna. Like there's the embroidery, there's the screen printing, there's the block printing, and then of course the whole jacket is embellished with
Beautiful.
pearls, goda, sequin, everything. Should I turn around?
Lovely.
So yeah. Ta-da!
Have a seat. Thank you so much, Khadija. Or now we're going to show you something that Khadija and I both commonly love.
Yes.
Can
One
we
of our
please
favorite
have,
outfits.
have our lovely model? She's looking absolutely gorgeous. I would have worn this for my wedding. अगर तुम उस वक्त होती गई.
I would have worn this for my nikah.
Yeah,
I
it's
think it's such a
lovely.
beautiful
Tell us about this now.
So this is Silan, what Famia is wearing. This is a Kalidar Pishwas,
ठीक है.
and this comes exactly how it is looking on her.
With all
in
the
box.
kalis.
It comes with all the kalis. It comes with the bodice. It comes with the fabric that goes inside the bodice.
Beautiful.
Sleeves, borders. ये इसके नीचे एक मेहराबी बहुत खूबसूरत border है वो. So dupatta fully embroidered with the scalloped edges. All of this comes in the
just
box.
how you see it.
Yes.
Yeah, so you don't have to buy 2 jodas to make it look
You
so
do not have to buy
grand.
2 jodas to make an outfit. Everybody starting from extra large to extra small can buy this one outfit and have it stitched exactly like this.
Beautiful.
And the bodice. I just want to mention that the bodice, people who are in a bigger size need not worry.
Okay.
Because bodice के ऊपर इतनी embroidery है कि large से small से कोई size का भी आप bodice इसके साथ बहुत आसानी से बना सकते हैं.
What more can you want? And यहाँ पे मैं बता दूँ आपको, we're halfway through, that the price point is amazing. What is the price point for all
Yeah,
these,
so
across the collection?
this whole collection, which is fully embroidered and hand worked on very very lush fabrics, is
Lots of fabric also.
lots of fabric. Everything is starting from 19,000, and I think the most expensive one is for 22,000 something. So it's just capping between
It's amazing.
19 and 22,000.
That's amazing. That's a steal.
And also, I'll also like to add something here. Those of you wondering about patching and all, because a lot of these people get very worried. Some people get very worried कि हाय इतने
patch
patches
लगाने
हैं और
पड़ेंगे,
patch
हाँ.
लगाना पड़ेगा और कैसे करेंगे. So the way we have structured our borders and patches, they are very simple to put.
Okay.
There's hardly anything that you need to applique
So
on.
basically
You can
सिलाई का काम है.
सीधी सिलाइयों से आपकी पैचिंग हो जाएगी.
जाएगी,
और वो हम डिज़ाइन अपने जोड़े ऐसे करते हैं कि हमारे जो पैचेस हैं वो ऐसे पैचेस हों जो आसानी से जुड़ सकें
So Khadija
आपके टेलर्स के साथ. No, we think of every
taking care
detail.
of all the details.
We
yeah.
need to think of every
Yeah.
detail because हम तो बना के दे देते हैं 200 पैचेस और ये
हाँ.
वो आगे फिर कस्टमर के लिए हर टेलर वो नहीं कर
नहीं कर
सकता.
सकता.
So this is an easy collection to stitch. The patches are very easy to work with.
Fabulous. Moving on. अब हम आ रहे हैं एक और ऐसे कलर पे जो कि सबकी wardrobe में होना चाहिए, and that is white with some black. Yes, Khadija. Let's hear about this
So
one.
this is Malike,
Malike.
and this is a very very striking design because anything that is monochromatic all of a sudden just gets your attention.
Stands out.
And it's also a very versatile design because not only can you wear it for weddings, but you can do dinners with this, you can do day events with this
Bilkul.
because it's not so it's not typically wedding like,
Bilkul.
right?
Yeah.
So this is a beautiful design. It has a lovely ivory base. On top we have a black and white completely embroidered composed embroidery.
ठीक है.
It comes with these beautiful 2 borders. We have accented the whole outfit with a nice deep mustard. And this is a black satin border with white embroidery. So you have a black border and then you have the mustard accent.
Absolutely.
And you have
Nice.
the same mustard accent for the sleeves. The dupatta is very very interesting. Again, it comes with a set of 2 borders
Okay.
on the pallu. So you have a really big pallu. You have the black patti which goes all around, and you get yards and yards of it for. I mean, basically, you're going to get the whole thing exactly like this.
Perfect. Okay. So
And you-
what about this fabric?
And
What
you
is this?
also get this fabric.
Okay.
So you get the Banarsi fabric
That's
inside
okay.
the box also. Now basically these are hand woven fabrics.
ठीक
These
है.
are not your jacquards that are made on machine.
Machines,
So
okay.
every box will have a slightly different variation of this weave.
As expected.
But you will get this
This is
beautiful
lovely,
patch.
lovely.
So you have this. The dupatta has a lovely flow. It has a choti booty ka jal running throughout, and then of course you have the handwork on it with the pearls and the Swarovski. It also has black Swarovski in it.
Wow.
And
So
yeah.
many details.
Yeah, you have pearls,
Fabulous.
sequin, gota, everything. It's ready to stitch. Ready to stitch, ready to go.
Lovely. All right. Or this next outfit, honestly, you'll see the color and it will dazzle you. If I had to wear something other than what I'm wearing right now, this would be it. Can we have our lovely model? Wow, just look at this. Khadija,
Yeah, so this
just lovely.
this shade is
Yeah.
just to die for.
To die for, honestly.
Like, you know, this is one of
You
those
can
col-
bite it.
Yeah,
It's
this
so
is one of those colors that you cannot miss. Like the person
हाँ.
walks in wearing this color,
हाँ.
it commands attention.
Absolutely.
And then obviously now the embroidery on it is absolutely stunning. We've got again a very composed front. We
Yeah.
have these lovely side panels also, so that if you want to make a bigger size or a khulla kurta like we've made, you can do that.
हाँ.
And they come with these badi literally like that Mughlai booty.
बिल्कुल.
And then pura jo front hai, that's a Kashmiri embroidery sort of a layout. The
Finesse.
border is satin,
Huh.
so that's a deep red satin
Okay.
that comes that you're going to attach to the bottom. If you want to wear it as a shorter shirt,
Huh.
then you
Huh.
don't have to put the border.
Bilkul.
Then you have pattis which you can just end the outfit.
You know
with.
what I also love is that if you miss out on a border, you don't put it, you can actually use it on some other jewelry.
Use it on something else,
Ah.
or you can put this on your izar or your
Exactly,
pajama.
put it on your pajama.
You can put it on your pajama.
Just
And
be
then
creative.
the dupatta is especially stunning. Anna,
Let's have a
I want
look.
everybody to see.
Oof.
The pallus are
Dekhiye
just to die for. So you get all of this border all around.
ये
ये
lovely.
satin पे है पूरी, और टांके आप देखिए कि कितनी
नफीस
finesse और
बहुत
मतलब कि बिल्कुल वो हाथ के टांकों की तरह
बिल्कुल
से.
ऐसे ही.
और then we give you a बड़ा सा पल्लू which
Okay.
is this beautiful scallopy, ये एक के अंदर एक के अंदर एक के अंदर
हाँ,
एक,
very
and it just
intricate.
makes such a खूबसूरत जाल, and then you close it off with the satin border और बाकी के ऊपर एक छोटी छोटी बूटी है.
हाँ.
और sleeves भी दिखाए कामया, because the sleeves are also actually very pretty. Could you extend your arm? So you have this very खूबसूरत सा motif on
I love
the
this motive. I also
and
love
it
this
is-
kadai.
and also the bow.
Lovely.
And फिर सारे के ऊपर you have again, if you can see the details, the sequins, the pearls, the gota, वो पूरे के ऊपर लगा हुआ है.
And what I love about this outfit especially is कि इसमें एक certain simplicity भी है. You know, it's
Very,
one color embroidery, and for people who don't want a lot of things happening, it's just perfect.
It's very elegant.
Very,
it's
very
actually a very elegant look. And again, I would say weddings, dinners, soirees,
बिल्कुल,
get-togethers.
anniversaries. This is very
It
versatile.
is so versatile. You can wear it to any event.
So this one I especially like because इसके अंदर there's a versatility of age. I feel कि you know from very young people to I can even imagine my mother wearing it.
Yeah.
क्योंकि you know the color is so subtle, the embroidery is so subtle, so nicely done. Let's talk about this, Khadija.
Okay, so this is called Gulia.
Gulia.
And like you said, I feel like the color is so sublime and so soft that it will, you know, for somebody very young, they'll love these peachy pinks.
Yeah.
It's a color that suits every complexion.
Yeah.
I always have a peach in every collection because
हाँ.
I know that this is that one color that suits Pakistani complexion
all
the
tones.
most.
Yeah,
Yes.
बिल्कुल.
And the color combination is, you know, I did a bridal for my own sister
हाँ.
many years ago now. It's been, I think, 5-6 years. And I took the color palette from her bridal because it's still till today one of my most favorite bridals.
Yeah.
So it was this pink
Yeah.
with the watermelon
Watermelon,
dupatta.
yeah, the tarbuzi color
This
is so also
tarbuzi
refreshing.
dupatta,
Yeah.
and then the rest was accented with the coral red and
Yeah.
the cherry pink and the deeper coral. So
Huh.
I mean the color palette is from Sana's bridal, and if you actually look at the design, because it doesn't really show up that you know, because it's all tonal embroidery.
बिल्कुल.
Two shades of peach and pink intertwining with each other, so you actually have to see it in real to see the embroidery.
Exactly.
It's a Kashmiri layout. It's actually like the front of the shirt is beautiful because it's done like a Kashmiri shawl.
हाँ.
अगर आप देखो ना, so it has this whole center which is fully worked, which is a full paisley motif.
Yeah.
And then you have a lighter peach border, like this is light peach. Then you have a dark peach border, and then you have a cherry.
Yeah.
And then you have a
I
cherry
like
fabric.
the transition of the
So
colors
it
with that balance of the
transitions,
dupatta.
it transitions so beautifully from the colors, the light into the dark, into the darkest. And then the dupatta has the watermelon in the middle, and it has this beautiful patli intertwining veil in the center. और इसका ये जो पल्लू है ना, ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत. Look at this embroidery. So पूरा ये जाल इसके पल्लू पे है. और फिर ये जो चेरी रेड है, इससे इसका पूरा satin का border है, which you can put all around.
I love the fact also
So
the
the
kameez goes from light to dark and the dupatta actually goes from the
Dark,
boozy to
light,
light and then this beautiful red.
Yeah.
Such a nice
So we
transition.
introduced the tarbuzi in the dupatta to add that like punch, and it's again one of those joras that you can wear to dinners also.
Bilkul.
You can wear to weddings. You can wear. It's very.
You can dress
versatile.
it up as much as you like.
Very versatile, and I mean frankly, because I love paisleys and I love tonal embroidery, so I think this is one of my favorites.
And we have saved the best for last, indeed, because इतना खूबसूरत जोड़ा है. आप बस इसको देखें. पहले आप इसको देखें और उसके बाद खदीजा हमें बताएंगी कि इसमें क्या है. It's lovely. Look at it.
So this is a very sublime, ethereal
Completely.
pishwas.
Agreed.
So again,
Huh.
first thing first, it comes exactly how you see it on the mannequin. This is exactly how you will get it in the box.
Okay.
ये सारी कलियाँ हर किसी को मिलेंगी.
So
डब्बे के
don't
अंदर.
worry कि हमें ज़्यादा फैब्रिक चाहिए या हमें 2
बिल्कुल.
सूट लेने हैं. This is what you will get.
So आपको सारी कलियाँ, सारे बॉर्डर, अगेन ऊपर का जो बॉर्डर्स है वो भी sized है till extra large.
Okay.
It will fit every size.
Perfect.
बाजू, दुपट्टा, चारों साइडों पे इसके स्कैलप बॉर्डर्स हैं, बीच में इसके सीक्वेंस पे. So firstly, you get everything as it is.
You see, yeah, okay.
This again, I feel, is a very beautiful engagement outfit.
Very beautiful,
You know,
indeed.
even for the bride herself to wear on the nikah,
Totally.
on your own engagement, it is a lovely outfit to wear.
Yeah.
It's hand worked on top. गोटा, पर्ल, Swarovski, क्रिस्टल, वो सारा कुछ लगा हुआ है. इसके साथ आपको एक एडिशनल बेल्ट भी मिलेगी.
Okay.
वो बेल्ट इस वक्त इधर है नहीं मेरे पास, लेकिन वो भी बेल्ट एम्बेलिश बेल्ट डब्बे में
That's
आती
even
है.
better.
So you can
Lovely.
even add a belt, जैसे वो belted, you know, girls
Yeah.
like to
हाँ.
wear your dupatta with the belt.
belt,
You can
yeah.
do that effect also.
Wow.
So yeah, it's just a very pretty design. I mean we saved it for last because it actually needs I feel like it's such a it's one of those that attention foreign
बिल्कुल.
सारों की इसी में चली जाती है.
बिल्कुल.
So yeah,
And I would see this and I would never think this is coming out of an unstitched collection, honestly.
Yeah,
I would not think that. It's so beautiful.
It's really and you know the it's called the panels, the कलियाँ.
हाँ.
और अब ये जो सारी इसकी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, ये सारे खाके हमने बनाए हैं, इनको डेवलप किया, फिर
हाँ.
इनको इसके ऊपर इस स्केल पे लेके गए हैं. So it's honestly like a lot of value
lot
for
of-
money.
a lot of work
Something
also.
like this
हाँ.
you cannot otherwise get for 22,000 or 24,000.
That's the best
Because
part.
जो इसने काम और एफर्ट दिया है इसको लाने के लिए to a where we can put it in an
हाँ.
unstitched form,
हाँ.
that can never happen. Like आप इसका एक खाका ही किसी चीज से बनवाएं और फिर जाके बनाएं, तो this is you're looking at something much more.
Absolutely.
So this is the beauty of this design is that it comes like this. It looks very grand.
Yeah.
It's wedding. It's meant for weddings.
Yeah.
Meant for like grand occasions, and I think it's like that princess outfit.
And honestly, this entire collection screams Elan. It has the finesse, the beauty, the workmanship, and that standout quality that your clothes always have. Khadija. Well done.
Thank you.
Yet again. Thank you guys, and just remember, go on the website, go in the shops. The collection is there. You're gonna love
And
it.
it's launching tonight at midnight, so be there and make sure you get your hands on your favorites and don't complain tomorrow.
Good luck.